Hi, I'm Kim Dow, an Australian content creator living in Sydney, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing my experience using the Sony ZV-1 camera. I was so excited when I heard about this camera for the very first time. It's the camera that every single vlogger has been waiting for. It's a small point and shoot, and it just fits inside a small bag or even inside your pocket, so it's very convenient. And best of all, it has a flip out screen, which is what every vlogger needs. This camera is just perfect for content creators. So I use the Sony ZV-1 as my main camera when I go outside to vlog. It's just so convenient to carry around with you. When it comes to vlogging outdoors, you never know when something interesting will come up. If you are using a larger camera, for example, you might have to set down your bag, pull out the camera, maybe change the lens, change the settings to make sure it's perfect. By the time you're done, your shot might be already gone, it's too late. But with the Sony ZV-1, I just pull it out of my bag, out of my pocket, turn it on, press record, and you're good to go. It's honestly saved so much time that I can use doing something else. So it's definitely a very convenient camera to have around with you if you just want to shoot something randomly. My favorite feature from the Sony ZV-1 is product showcase. So I make all sorts of different content, and beauty is one of the main things I do. When making beauty videos, it's very time consuming. So I love this product showcase feature, as I always show my audience various items I buy in my vlogs, or if I'm filming a beauty video and want to recommend an item. By pressing just one button, you can get more beautiful bokeh in the background, so the focus is really on the item that you are showcasing, which saves me a lot of time because I can just do this with one press of a button. Usually I would have to change the settings or lens to get the perfect shot, but with this camera it just makes things so much more quicker. Vertical shooting is another feature I really love about this camera. So these days people consume content on different platforms such as TikTok or Instagram Reels, and we all know that the content is filmed vertically. Most people use their phones to film this sort of content because it's just so much easier to edit. However, for those who want to film content in much higher quality, it's kind of time consuming because you need to film with your camera, then you have to manually rotate it, and then you also have to export, transfer back to your phone. It takes a lot of time. But with the Sony ZV-1, if you are filming vertically, the camera automatically detects that, and then you can just basically transfer the footage from your camera straight to your phone, and you can start editing straight away. It's just so much faster. Smooth skin is another feature that I really love. It's not everyone's cup of tea, so I personally keep it on low, but it just makes my face look so much more smooth, blurs out my blemishes, and it's just perfect if you want to film vlogs and you want your face to look a little bit better. So I make a whole wide range of different content, from travel, vlogs, lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and even gaming videos. And the reason why I can juggle all of those is because I just have one camera that does everything for me. As I'm a content creator, I generally film everything myself. I don't have a crew to help me, so having just one camera that does everything for me saves me a lot of time. I have different filming styles depending on which channel I am filming for. So for example, if I am filming for my main channel and I'm making a beauty video, I generally like my videos to be more professionally done. I like to give a lot of advice on that channel to help others out. So using features like product showcase really helps the focus on the product, and it shows it very clearly. People can see it being used, so it just helps them out to see whether it will be suited for them or not. Now for my vlogging channel, I like my content to be more casual. I want my viewers to feel like they are sitting down there with me and just enjoying a conversation with me. So okay, I have been vlogging for over 10 years, and I still admit that when I go out and vlog in public, I still get very shy and self-conscious, especially when people stare at me when I am out and about vlogging, which is why I don't like carrying big cameras around with me in public when I vlog. So having this small camera with the flip out screen, it just makes things so much easier because I can see that I am in focus, I can see exactly what I'm filming, I can just film quickly and then put the camera away in my pocket and go on to the next scene. As the ZV-1 isn't that big, people generally won't really look at you when you are filming with this camera. I would recommend the Sony ZV-1 camera to anyone who is interested in video production or content creation. It's such an easy, beginner-friendly camera that anyone can just pick it up, turn it on, press record, and make a video. Even if you don't know how to use cameras, you don't need to. You just have to turn it on, press record, and the functions in this camera, it's so easily accessible that literally anyone can use it. Now, even for me, I used to be a photographer. I've had experience using more advanced cameras. I still find myself using this camera a lot just because it has all the functions that I need in one small compact camera, and it just makes my life so much easier. So if you are looking into content creation, producing videos, or you want to just update your kit, I definitely recommend the Sony ZV-1. It's everything that you would need.